Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to learn all about ambulances. An ambulance is like a super special car that helps people when they are sick or hurt. It's really fast and has bright lights and sirens that make loud sounds. These lights and sirens help the ambulance get through traffic quickly so it can reach people who need help fast. Inside the ambulance, there are paramedics. Paramedics are like real-life superheroes. They take care of people who are sick or hurt. They have special equipment and medicines to help you feel better on the way to the hospital. If you ever need to go in an ambulance, it's because the paramedics want to make sure you get to the hospital where doctors can help you. At the hospital, doctors and nurses will check you over and make sure everything is okay. It's normal to feel a little scared if you have to go in an ambulance, but the paramedics are there to help and keep you safe. They might even let you listen to your favorite music on the way to help you feel better. Remember, ambulances and paramedics are here to help us when we need it most. They do an amazing job taking care of people and making sure everyone gets the help they need.